On the Second Amendment, I will stand by any legislation that takes guns out of the criminals' hands and makes them pay a more substantial price for carrying illegal weapons. The problem is, none of the gun control legislation that has been proposed or passed in this country or state has done anything to address this. I'll be honored to cast my votes to protect the Second Amendment to our Constitution. Legal gun owners should not be the target of feel-good legislation that does nothing to address the issues of crime. Too many lawmakers pass legislation that they can take back to their constituents to get reelected, when in reality it's only made the problem worse. We got plenty of laws in the books that will prevent folks who shouldn't get guns from getting them.